I grew up in a welding shop, 4th generation. I love it. Love doing it. I would like to be a pipe fitter for Local 136. It's hard because everybody underestimates you, but it's amazing getting to prove them wrong and getting to show up all the guys too. I would say do it. I was terrified to do it just because the intimidation of working around all men, but really it's not as bad as what you think it's going to be. And it really boosts your confidence, honestly. Women have a steadier hands, and I would say even better focus than a man does. And we can fit in smaller spaces than men, so I mean that's kind of a downside, but also a really good thing. But once you get into it and you learn what you're doing and you know what you're doing, and everybody's like, oh, do you even know? And then you get to prove them wrong, and you go up from there. I get to work on a lot of projects here, so it gives me a lot of hands-on, and I get to maneuver in ways that I will be out in the field. My goodness, it's amazing. I have fabricated deer skinning racks, and I go around and I show the pictures to people all the time because that's the first thing I've made myself, and it's awesome being able to see it come to life. I learn a lot better hands-on, so instead of reading a book, I get to put it into work, and I can figure out what I'm doing wrong, when I'm doing it, and how to change it right then and there. It's really nice because one-on-one, he can sit there and he can watch me, and he can tell me when to move, when I'm doing wrong. If my angle's wrong, he can tell me as I'm doing it to change it, and you can feel the change as you're going. You meet so many good people, and really it brings you together because it's just like a big family, and all the guys turn into brothers, and they're very protective of you.